Oh, good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
We downsized 6 years ago from a large two-storey house to a two-bedroom apartment in independent living. And we worked out that what we pay monthly here was roughly what we were paying with all our rates and everything when we lived in our home. And we don't have to worry about anything. We're looked after.
And so, Allison, reflecting on the move, would you say that you've got the lifestyle that you need, even though you didn't create any particular sort of pot of money there, but it sounds like it was a good move to downsize just in terms of your lifestyle, Allison?
It was the best move. We moved just before COVID, so there are people around the whole time and we can do whatever we like and join in whatever we like. Otherwise, we would have been stuck in our big house. My husband would have had to have got help to mow the lawns and everything, so yes, it's a much better life. The only thing is our kids were really upset we didn't discuss it with them first.
Oh, well, that's your prerogative, Alison. What do you say to that, Rachel? Even the discussion part.
Yeah, it is one of those things. Sometimes when people are investigating retirement communities, they look at the monthly fee and they say, oh, it's $500 or $600, $700 a month. That's $500 or $600 or $700 a month more than what I'm paying in my current home. But that's because they think that staying at home is free, and it's not free. It's just that you don't pay it evenly every month. The rates come in once a year and the utilities come in once a quarter, but at different times and all of those sorts of things. So I think it's great that Allison has clearly done that homework and looked at, hey, what is it costing us to stay at home, to have someone mow the lawns, to have someone look after the pool, to all of those things, and what is it going to cost in this, sounds like, retirement village, and done that apples and oranges comparison, because it is a great comparison to do.